How long have you worked here?
13 years. It'll be 13 years in August.
How long have you worked third shift?
13 years. It'll be 13 years in August. Started this job on third shift. I think we worked 3 days on second shift popping boxes, but I wanted the original third shifters at Great Lakes.
What do you like about third shift?
Solitude. The opportunity to run it all. Do the best I can.
You got to be willing to kind of give up some things, because, like, you know, you're working when everybody else is asleep, so sometimes, you know, that can be a drain on social life and things like that. So it's like you got to be willing to make a sacrifice to be on third.
Cause I want to say third shift not recognized enough, cause you know, some people probably don't think Great Lakes got a third shift. Like, they probably like how they make all that beer. They probably like first shift and second shift, you know, like, but we do have a third shift. And third shift, yeah, we definitely get down. That's the only, like, we a team. Ain't no I in team. So I love my crew. I definitely love my team.
We may be third shift, but we're number one.